What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the spinning coin animation like this. And surprisingly, to create this animation you don't need to use the specific or the special software to create this animation. And as you can see that the look is quite realistic, and to create this animation is 100% for free. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Meta AI, and don't worry because this Meta AI also very accessible not only in the PC like I'm using right now, but also very accessible within your device such as the tab or the smartphone. And if you would like to access it, then don't forget to do the login first with your Facebook or the Instagram account. And after that, you will see this is the home page of this Meta AI. You can create the video from your photo, or you can create it from the prompt, and also you can create the picture, only picture, or generate the picture, and also add something in general. Well, you can also have fun with it by watching the animation that has been made by another user like this. And since we would like to create the spinning coin like in the previous video before, so you can start to create it from scratch. For example, you can create it by generate the picture first. For example, like this, create a picture of a standing golden coin, and also the coin is standing up the wooden table. Or you can also create your own or your version of your prompt. And you can continue to click next and kindly wait for the result over here. And usually this Meta AI will give you 4 samples of the picture, and you can choose which one do you prefer or which picture that has followed your desire. And for example, I will choose, all of them is beautiful and very realistic, and for example I will choose this one. You can click it anyway, and I will start to download it. And after that, in this section I will start to upload this picture like this. And for example, I will put the prompt in this section by using this reference picture. I want that this AI to create the spinning coin animation of this picture or this attached picture. And after that, during the spinning, that this coin still standing up on the wooden table, and also make it into the unstoppable spinning motion. And I want that this coin spinning following the clockwise. Well, you can put everything or prompts into this section to make it more detailed and make it more realistic. And after that, you can continue to click send and kindly wait for this Meta AI to generate this picture into the motion or the animation, guys. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to use this picture to create this animation, guys. However, if you would like to use the same prompt to create the picture, you can actually use the same prompt by this one. However, you can also has the possibility to have the different picture, maybe about the angle or the lighting. However, it's still one theme about the standing golden, and we can change it into the animation of the spinning coin like this. And if you like it, then you can start to download it. So that's all, guys. This is your spinning coin animation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.